Don't ever come in on a weekend. Paul just shot himself with a 3-inch nail. That means that the tip of that nail is all the way to his pinky. Lord have mercy. You filming, Jake?
Yes.
All right.
That way he can't sue us later
What I
on.
want you to do. Can you feel it? Can you? I don't know.
Feel it right there.
Jesus.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Dude, don't.
All right, just,
Don't pinch
you
me.
can look
Here,
away
you
if you
hold
need
the camera
to.
for
You
me.
got it? Just kind of push that down. You good?
Please don't pinch me really bad.
Hey, it's not a ring shank. You good grip
Just
on it?
jerk it out real quick.
Get tighter than that. It's okay,
Don't
buddy.
pinch me.
Got it?
Yep, go.